step 달려와줘 like 나만 사랑한다고 가져왔던.
Hello beautiful people and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So today we are going over this wavy wig from Unice. It took me forever to install, but it's okay, I have a tutorial. I'm just playing. This took 5 minutes. You know why? Because she's glitterless, okay? No wig cap, no nothing, and she melted right on in. This wig was by far one of the best packages I've had in a long time as far as what it came with. Unice, I feel like, has rebranded and they just stepped it all the way up, okay? They was always the but now they really the okay? Between the packaging, the labeling, the customer service, the bye-bye knots. But if you'd like to see our unboxing and how I installed this, then just keep watching. So let's get right into this. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox with y'all so we can see the fresh look. Let's go ahead and unbox her. Yeah, Unice stepping it up. Unice. They said you can say it either way, so I don't want to hear it. They said I could say Unice or I could say Unice. So shut up. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, this is their new packaging. Super cute with their logo. So let's see what y'all know. We got our goodies. You're lying. Hold up. No freaking way. Unice is starting to send press-on nails with their wigs. Okay, so we got the HD cap. Y'all already know we gotta have the HD cap. And then we have an edge band, which this is glueless with the bye-bye knot, so I'm not sure. You know, the edge band I probably won't use, but just in case. And then some little stickers. Super cute. And then they got some 2-minute DIY nail package, our ultimate nail makeover in minutes. And the color is Pink Rebel. And as y'all can see, I've been into the almond shape, so this is literally right up my alley. Now, I don't typically get pink nails, but I feel like this is cute and I will definitely keep them. That is new. I've never had a wig sent to me and it comes with nails, so that was freaking cute. Now, the actual wig, oh, hold on, we're not done. Okay, so they gave a little like thing here talking about the wig, which is like the bye-bye knots, which for those of you that don't know, the bye-bye knots is where they completely customize the wig. So like right here on this thing here, and I'll also insert a picture for another example, but you see how the knots like completely disappear? That's the whole like bye-bye movement right now, and I'm so happy that this bye-bye thing is coming about and so popular, because for the longest it has been up to the creator to customize the unit and make it look good enough for someone to want to buy. And here recently, y'all, hold on. Okay, so we got another package of these, and they also sent some faux mink lashes. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, they just moved up in the rankings. They just moved up in the rankings. And a robe. So this is not just a wig, this is an experience. This is a complete self-care luxury experience. You got the robe, you got the nails, you got the lashes, and if you're not used to bye-bye, you want more information on it, they got the info card. Like, I'm loving this. Unice done did a little rebranding action, and I'm telling y'all now, it's gonna work. So this is what the wig comes in. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what she is giving. So far, I am super impressed. Super impressed. Because don't just send me a wig cap. Dress it up and make it real for me, okay? So here, as you can see, plucked, not gone, okay? You can literally see the color from them bleaching it. If you can see, the hair is black, but the tint, that brown tint you're seeing, is literally from the customization of the unit. So I like the gradual. You know how sometimes you'll see plucking tutorials and it's like a line by line? I like it for it to be kind of like a gradual pluck. You know what I mean? So she's supposed to be ready to go. So let's see how ready to go she is. So far, I'm absolutely loving it. And I have a straight wig like this, but I want a curly one because I want to be able to switch it up. But the lace is already cut as well. So let's see if she's truly ready to go at the box. We about to test it. So they also have the adjustable strap as well as the comb on the inside with the grip. Y'all know that is a must for the glueless units or your wig gonna be sliding all over the place. But I'll show y'all how good this grip works. Now this is no wig cap because I want to see what she's giving. Without a wig cap, y'all, that's no wig cap. Be for real. Be for real right now. Okay, the only thing I'm gonna do is spray it with water and run some mousse and stuff through it, but this is fresh out the box. So the first thing we're gonna do, water bottle, you can get on Amazon. You can use the regular one, but I like this one because it's like a mist. And then we're gonna use a little bit of this conditioner from Tresemme. I've been using this for a while now and this is amazing. Let's go ahead and get a dollop of Daisy. Okay, I'm not gonna do no oil because the conditioner got it good enough. The oil does smell good, but this wig already kind of smelled good, so it seems like they did a conditioning treatment on it already. So there's really no need to put the oil. And then I'm gonna use this Curly Construct Garnier Fructis mousse. I believe I got this from either Walmart or Target. I'm in love, I'm obsessed. Almost done with this side. And this is not like a deep curl, this is more like a wave, and that's it. So this side is not done, this side is done. So the only difference is this side looks a little bit juicier. But I'm gonna do this side now and I will show y'all the final product. One second, I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. It's super flat, blended right in. I put a little mousse right here. The part is straight. I didn't have to do anything to the part. The curl pattern, the wave pattern is absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's not like a ringy curl, it's more of like a wave, like a beach wave type thing, but super pretty. And this is just conditioner, mousse, and water. I ended up not using the vitamin E oil because I just felt like it was unnecessary. The Tresemme conditioner did exactly what I needed it to do. I am so impressed. Like, I went with the middle part, but to be honest, this wig is very, very versatile. Okay, so I was looking for my rat tail comb to show you guys it being glueless, but I have a better idea because I can't find my comb, but no need to worry. I went with the middle part, but because she's glueless and versatile, if you wanted to just turn her like this, you absolutely could. And like that, we got a side part. If you think Unice is here to play around with you, God, they not. If you know what that's off of, leave it in the comments below. But yeah, so if you want to switch it, she's completely glueless and the parting space is so wide that it does not look weird when you turn it. You can even pull this down and put some behind your ear. Like, the parting space is amazing for this to be a closure. But me personally, I was feeling the middle part a little more because it's just giving like mermaid vibes almost. I don't know, I just like the middle part right now. I'm feeling that. And then at the end of the night, whenever I'm tired and I'm ready to lay down, all I gotta do is take her off. Like, and y'all, I didn't, as you can see, I did not even put a wig cap on. And she's melting like this. No wig cap, no nothing. So you know she probably eat down with a wig cap. But she's long too. I'm 5'8" and she goes a little bit below my boob and it's curly. So when stretched out, I'm pretty sure it's even longer. This is perfect. Like, there's not one thing I would change about this wig. You guys can see from the duration of this video, it only took like 5 minutes to install, aka put on my head. Okay, if you guys want information on this wig or other Bye Bye Not collection wigs, make sure you check out the description box below. I'll have all the information for this unit as well as the Bye Bye collection. Other than that, thank you again, Unice, for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.